Hello YouTubers, it's Nick here again. Today I have a new problem, which is my grinder. So if we turn this one on, you can see inside it's not moving at all, but if you see the bottom, it's moving. So what's going on here? This is super loose, so this thing has some broken linkage inside. Okay, let's figure out what's wrong with it. So to open it up is fairly easy. There's two small screws. They're both Phillips, one on top, one on the bottom. Just take those two screws out and it should come out. Alright, so we take out those two screws right on there. Give it a little bit of wiggle. Okay. Oopsie. Look at this guy. This is all worn out, and inside here, this is where it was sheared off. What a design. Or they just designed this weak link for it to fall off. So this is when it stresses too much, it's gonna break off right in the middle. It doesn't cause too much stress or causing further damage into your processor or into the internally. So what you need to do is actually, oh, look at that, buying a new piece. You just need to buy another coupler. They call it the coupler, pasta roller coupler. You can get them on the internet. I opened up a browser on my phone now, so you can search the keyword of the pasta roller coupling or coupler. Then you can find a few of them. The first image on the left is the one that we need. So when you click on it, it takes us to the website of eTay, whatever that one's located. So this is the one that I placed into the order. It's 1974 Canadian dollars. Because I'm in Canada, that's why it's preset for Canadian dollars. But once I add into my card for delivery, it's gonna cost another almost $20 for the delivery. It's gonna be $39 for us to get it here. So I placed the order and I wait for it to show up in my mailbox. When I was waiting for this new coupler to show up, I'm gonna borrow this the pasta noodle maker, and I'm gonna take off this one first and put it up on there. See if that'll fit. At least we're gonna still making noodles for the next couple weeks before we receive the new piece here. Okay, now I took this guy off. So this guy have only 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. So those are the screws over there. And this piece is a little different design. Has a one shaft here, but they also designed the weak link. It's right in the middle. So when this thing snaps, you're gonna snap right in the middle here. Okay, let's see if that'll fit onto this guy. Yeah, let's see. Oh. Something I noticed is going in pretty deep. Nope. It's not a good idea. Nope, it won't fit. I'll be quietly waiting for the new piece to show up. This idea won't work. Well, if you're looking closely into here, it's very shallow in this hole. But if you look into the pasta roller, it's a very, very deep hole. So that's why the small piece of this hexagon shape key, it would go all the way into it, and there's no way I can take it out, so I'm not gonna insert it to build temporary linkage. Alright, I guess I'll just put it back and just wait for the new coupler to show up. Alright, that's about it for today, and if you like my video, please subscribe and like the video or leave me any comments. Thank you guys. Bye now.